serikali yachakira umuroberio bugosibia register ya aborokia iri kumanya inamba ya aborokia abo batarari ko gwikira boniga kago kwana hekero gitaro yaye hase aigora matemu amanasi abisyo mu DCC nsemo ekerenyo na kwigora matemu asensemeria ya Kebabe Girls ase boigo agikeire abarimu hase bosa aumerana na abarimu asensemo ekerenyo nigo boigo migosi atebire nga usi tiraenekia egekorwa kende gyonsi kyo boibi wa matemu ya gendret
Roni litkolio mwiso twakora okora mateo gusi ase myake mengi abantu bari kwera umunga nturi okora mateo buronge twaeta otokoiba kalibo. The last 2 years tuorokiri Kenya na nduri koibaki nenda abana baitu no bakoraki no nyendri bari oteba kanku ibatule ekarana ari kurigiringa seti wona arikonyoro umwana kuruku Kennedy Nyakundi kurunyoro nerutang'aine Chen Mora kurukilifi nerutang'aine migosi yogamba kurogere nerutang'aine so ngajakarega take over post bomu muzino muri omusino muntu mwenye moro kiria muya ke yeberenga matemu nduri koiba nduri okora kindi kiri bandu bando tele okora ki. You have done very well. Congratulations. Aina bari mu asanti kere kana chore tu na chitenka basabanga batenga tuizo sabia mwanzoki na mwande winga ngo endera muri okora ibintu burungi buna bitakire nko bakira mbiamo as the teachers of this. So you have the wrong numbers. Most people have TSC numbers, but they have not been removed from the register. So they are indicated in the register as unemployed. When we clean the register, we will find maybe we have only 100,000 teachers unemployed. That's our vision. That's the plan we have. So that we employ all of you. So that history could die before employment. It is not right. And because we are clever, we have to find a way of solving that problem. Career progression, we are already looking into that document. It cannot be that it is a document promoted according to money. It is 3 years. Clear. My file is clean. Timbuat warning letters, timbuat anything, I will move. So that it is fair to across. We want to do that.